One strategy of critical legal theorists is to insist that we should debate the merits of policies. If what's the real underlying issue in a set of cases is the policy, not the surface level argument, we should push for people to acknowledge that that's what's at question and address it directly, rather than pretending that it's simply a neutral approach. When I think of this strategy, I immediately think of the movie Lean on Me. This was about a high school principal named Joe Clark. At one point, he has angered some politicians, and he has a discussion with a friend who I believe is the superintendent. Here's what he says.
And then you fire Mrs. Elliott. Why? Because she didn't want to kiss your ass. Well, I wouldn't either. How about that?
Mrs. Elliott has an ego.
Yeah, well, you lost the best teacher we had. We couldn't get her back now if we wanted to.
I don't have time for Mrs. Elliott's problem.
Well, you better make time.
We are being crucified by a process that is turning blacks into a permanent underclass here, Frank. A permanent underclass. No, see, nobody wants to talk about that. Nobody. Mrs. Elliott's missionary zeal about Mozart has nothing to do with our problem. Nothing. What good is Mozart going to do a bunch of children who can't go out and get a job? Joe?
Note what he says. He says there's a really important issue here, and it's driving a lot of what's going on. Or at the very least, it's a problem that's happening that people are ignoring, and it needs to be brought to the surface and talked about. We should not pretend that it's not part of the issue, because it is.